Okay, here is how you can look at how your Klein online kids are doing versus your Klein on campus kids. Easy way to do it, go to any test, hit this edit button here. You go to the summarize category. You may not be able to do it for that test. Sorry. Let me try this one. I don't know what's going on there. That's weird. Oh, you have to go to all 8th graders. Sorry, you can't do it for individualized teachers. That's what my problem was. So you can go to any test. You just have to do it for a full group, not just individual. So let me go reasons to revolt. Hit edit. Edit. It's thinking. Still thinking. We'll try a different test. That one's not working right. I'll record you later. Oh, there we go. Nope, we're working. Then hit summarize. Come down here to monitor groups. Klein on campus. Drag it over. Klein online. Drag it over. And then just simply hit update. Once you do that, you get your breakdown from Klein on campus and Klein online. You do it for any test, but I believe you have to do it for, you can't, an individual teacher can't do it. It has to be done for like full groups. So there you go. There's your fun tip for the day. Enjoy it. Have fun with it. You're welcome.